Last year, all signs indicated that 2023 will be an exciting year for Chrome OS gaming. 9 to 5 Google reported that Chromebooks supporting Nvidia GPU were in works. In October, several OEMs announced gaming-focused models in a snazzy joint announcement. It seems like there was a lot on the horizon, but their hopes has been dashed. The eagle-eyed folks at about Chromebooks have spotted language in Google code indicating multiple Nvidia Chromebook projects, including the specific models that were rumored last year, have been cancelled. This is likely a disappointment for Chrome OS fans who are holding out for a super-powered gaming product. Even after the death of Google Stadia, there was some enthusiasm and community for platforms like Steam and Nvidia GeForce Now, which will come pre-installed on the gaming models announced in October. But it seems it's not going to happen. It was expected you could see Chrome OS gaming with products that has many of the same benefits of the gaming rig. The Chromebook 516G has a Quad HD 120Hz screen with a tactile keyboard, and it delivers a solid cloud gaming experience. But as you know, Google is very famous for killing out their products. They announce they will launch it, they will kill it in 1 year time, or they will just kill off the projects after announcing. But it's very sad time.